Hi friends, welcome back to Danjal Karan. We are starting a brand new series where we are going to see all the leave rules for government employees. Today, we are starting with one of the best benefits provided, Child Care Leave or CCL. To take care of your children, their education, or their medical needs, a government employee can take a massive 730 days, that is 2 full years, of paid leave during their entire service. But what are the exact rules? And what are the new 7th Pay Commission updates? Let's break it down in this video.
First, who is eligible for this leave? All female government employees can apply. But the biggest update brought by the 7th Pay Commission is that single male employees, meaning unmarried, widowers, or divorcees, are now fully eligible for CCL too. If both the husband and wife are government employees, only one of them can claim this leave. You can only claim this leave for your two eldest surviving children. And you must use these 730 days before your child turns 18 years old. However, if the child is Divyang, meaning they have a minimum 40% disability, there is absolutely no age limit. You can take this leave at any point in their lifetime. Now, let's talk about the most crucial rule, your salary. Will you get your full salary for all 730 days? No. According to the 7th Pay Commission, for the first 365 days, you will receive 100% of your full leave salary. But for the remaining 365 days, you will only get 80%. How exactly do you apply for it? You cannot take CCL for just 1 or 2 days. The minimum limit is 5 days at a time. Also, in a single calendar year, normal employees can take this leave in a maximum of 3 spells or 3 times. However, if you are a single female employee, you get a special relaxation and can take it in up to 6 spells per year. Here are some important conditions you must know. If weekends or government holidays fall in between your CCL, they will be counted as part of your CCL days. Second, you generally cannot get CCL during your probation period except in extreme emergencies. And remember, CCL cannot be demanded as a fundamental right. Prior approval from your higher authorities is strictly required before you go on leave. When applying, you need to submit the child's birth certificate or Aadhaar card copy to your department. If the child is specially abled, a proper disability certificate is required. Depending on your office and the reason for the leave, you might also be asked to provide a medical certificate if the child is sick or an exam timetable if you're taking leave to help them study. This is a fantastic welfare measure provided by the government, so plan and use it wisely for your child's benefit. If you have any doubts regarding CCL rules, drop them in the comments below and I'll definitely reply. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more government updates. Thanks for watching.